Hi, Nika.
Hi.
Today we're gonna do some science experiments, yeah?
Yes, look at the beautiful.
Wow, what do you have? We have a lot of 1,000 orbits, yes?
Yes.
And we're gonna do some projects with orbits, yes? Some experiments.
Yes.
Wow, a lot of orbits, yes?
Okay.
Nice.
Nika finger.
Let's start it.
Yes.
Number 1, we have a containers full of with orbits and some hidden
Ooh la la.
items. What is there inside? Some toys.
Yes.
Let's put some water and
Yes.
see what is there.
Yes. What is there? Let's start it.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yes, let's put first one.
I see sugar. I throw it.
Wow, what is there?
I
What is inside? What is that?
giraffe.
Giraffe and other one?
Giraffe a horse.
It's horse and giraffe.
Yes. Let's
Wow, so nice.
more.
Okay, let's see the second one.
Second one. Two.
Mhm.
Start it. I see fish.
Wow.
I see
There's
not.
two beautiful fishes. Wow.
I see another one.
Wow, the one is the purple one.
The one is the
Other one is
pink.
the pink one. Wow,
No.
so beautiful.
No, not the one. I see two.
Wow. Let's put a little bit more water.
Oh, I see hair.
Okay.
I see more
I
hair.
think a little bit more, yes.
Let's see.
Looks like a mermaid.
Yes, I see.
Let's put a little bit more water, okay? It's a Barbie mermaid. Wow. Look at, she has beautiful hair, pink hair. Oh, and a hairbrush. Wow.
Hairbrush, yes.
She's so beautiful. Wow. So we found in the orbit giraffe,
Giraffe.
horse, fishes, and Barbie mermaid. Yes.
Take out.
Wow, nice, beautiful. Let's do the next experiment with orbits.
Yes.
Next science experiment with orbits is a coloring. So we
Mama,
have,
fine.
yeah, we found the coloring. Yes,
Yes,
we
yes.
have a food coloring, different colors. So we're gonna make 5 different colors with orbits.
Now green one.
The orbits turn green.
Yes.
Wow, so beautiful.
Red. What's red?
It turned red. Yes. So what we have three colors now: pink, green, and red.
Two.
So we have two more, purple and blue. Let's see.
Let's go.
Now purple one.
Now purple. Purple.
Wow, it's turned purple.
That
We have the last one is a blue color.
blue color.
Wow, so beautiful color. Pink, green, red, purple, and blue. Good job, Nika. So now let's mix all colors together so it can be a rainbow.
Rainbow.
Wow. This is the pink one. This is the green one.
And orange.
It looks like orange, but it's a red color. Okay.
I think it's the red.
The purple one.
I think it's the red one again.
And the last one is a blue one.
I think it's a blue one.
Wow.
Now mix.
So beautiful. Yes. Oh, Nika. All colors. A lot of colors. For next experiment, we need some Skittles. Yes, and water.
Wow.
Okay, so now we have a Skittles and we're gonna put some water. Okay, let's put a little bit water. Okay, slow. Wow, Nika, good job. You did a good job, Nika.
Look, it's a close.
Wow. Good job, Nika. Now you can mix it. Okay, mix it. I know you want to mix it.
Yes.
Yes.
It's a rainbow.
That's like a rainbow. Yeah, that's a rainbow. My God. Okay, let's mix it. Oh my God, Nika. Look at your hands, all colors.
Okay.
For next experiment, we need milk,
Milk,
dish soap,
soap,
cotton,
cotton,
and food colors.
pink. Let's start it.
First, we are putting a milk. Let me put it.
Milk.
Mhm.
Now food colors.
Now we can put food colors. That's it.
Oh, that's it.
Now let's put some dish soap here. Okay.
Come here. Oh, wow.
Oh my God. some blue, all blue.
Pink and the orange here. Nika.
Bye bye.
Bye.